You are sitting at a red light, foot on the brake, but you can feel the car fighting you, trying to lurch forward. Or maybe you shift into park and the engine suddenly revs up to 2,000 RPM like you are revving the engine at a drag strip. It is annoying and honestly a little scary. If your check engine light is on with code P0507, it means idle control system RPM higher than expected. Essentially, your car's computer has a target speed for how fast the engine should spin when you are not touching the gas pedal, usually around 600 to 800 RPM. This code triggers when the actual speed stays way above that target. On older cars, we had cables, but on most modern vehicles like Nissans, Hondas, and Chevys, we use electronic throttle bodies. The computer controls the air, not your foot. The number one suspect for this code is a vacuum leak. Think of your engine as a giant air pump. The computer measures exactly how much air is coming in to decide how much fuel to spray. If you have a cracked hose, a bad intake manifold gasket, or a stuck PCV valve, unmetered air is sneaking into the engine. The engine speeds up because it thinks you want to go faster. Another major cause is carbon buildup in the throttle body. Over time, black gunk builds up around the throttle plate, creating a gap that lets air slip through even when it is supposed to be closed. Now here's the tricky part for the DIY mechanic. You might decide to clean that throttle body, which is a great idea, but after you clean it, the idle might get even higher. That's because the computer had learned to open the valve wider to compensate for the gunk. When you clean it, that gap is suddenly too big. You have to perform an idle relearn procedure to teach the computer the new baseline. So if you have this code, check for hissing sounds under the hood to find leaks, check your PCV valve, and if you clean the throttle body, be ready to look up the specific relearn steps for your specific car model to get that idle back down to normal.